Introducing HealthXtra's latest breakthrough, turmeric curcumin and ginger with BioPerine. HealthXtra is a registered trademark of Capsule Pharma Manufacturing. Unlock the power of nature with our advanced formula, meticulously crafted to enhance your wellness journey. Turmeric, a centuries-old remedy, celebrated for its potent curcumin content. Combined with the goodness of ginger, known for its digestive benefits. Experience the difference, from eased joint discomfort to boosted immune function. Feel more vibrant, more alive. Elevate your wellness journey with HealthXtra's turmeric curcumin and ginger with BioPerine. Your path to a healthier, happier you starts here.